everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel again today. Today we are going to have a look at a couple of items of clothing, actually a few items of clothing that I have bought over the last, I would say, month and a half. I really have been trying in the last little while to not consume as much. I haven't really been, or at least I've been trying to not buy as many new clothes. And I've been trying to just really go in my closet and just see what I have and make my outfits out of what I already have. However, of course, with the change of the seasons, I have bowed to the pressure of refreshing my wardrobe a little bit and buying just a few items of clothing for the spring and the summer. So I've got a couple of things from Urban Planet, a few things from Old Navy, a few things from Reitmans, and a couple of things from Shein. So I'm gonna show you what I bought, tell you a little bit of the stories behind them, and show you what they look like on as well. So the first thing we're going to look at is this dress that I bought from Urban Planet. So I actually bought this dress in two different colors. I bought it in this really nice minty blue color. I thought it would be really great for spring and for Easter. And then I couldn't decide. I have been looking for some black dresses. So I also decided to get it in a black color as well. The only thing is that I kind of regret a little bit now getting them just because I don't really see when I would have the opportunity to wear them. I feel like the style of these dresses are a little too fancy for wearing to work or for like every day. But nevertheless, I thought they were really cute with this ruffly detail on the arms. And it has a nice cute tie on the back. Another thing with these dresses is I found that they do tend to run really tiny. I initially got both of the dresses in a medium, but I couldn't even zip it up. And I'm usually in like a lot of brands, a small. So I had to take them back and I got both of them in a large. Now they fit great. It's just looking for the opportunity to wear them. And then I also bought something a little bit more casual with more of an eye toward actual summertime, is this cute rust colored dress. It's got this nice waist smocking here, which I always really love. It kind of pulls in the waist a little bit. And of course, it's got these thin spaghetti straps here. They're not adjustable, but it doesn't need to be. It's quite a high neck, but this one is a really nice, cute dress for the summertime as well. So really, what would a spring and summer clothing haul be without something from Old Navy? Because they always have a lot of really great things, especially during this time of year, and a lot of really nice dresses. But I was really looking at their tank tops, and there was one tank top in particular that I was looking at, and it was this cute cropped baby pink color tank top, and they kept selling out in this color. And as soon as I saw it come back in stock, I was like, okay, I better grab it because if I don't, I'm going to regret it. It also comes in a really nice, I think, like fuchsia color that I might consider as well. But I was really kind of looking for something like this. I have a lot of tank tops. A lot of them are really long, more for like tucking into things, but I was more so really looking for this crop style. And so I decided to buy one in pink. And then I also bought one in a basic white because I do really love a nice white, bright white tank top for the summertime with a nice pair of like light color blue jeans. And the quality is really nice. It's quite thick, so I don't think you're going to be able to really see through them. But just like the stitching around the arms has like this nice band. They're not really thin tank tops. They're nice, good quality, thick tank tops. And of course, when you're ordering something from Old Navy, you can't just order one or two things. You want to get that free shipping. So luckily, there were a few other dresses that I had my eye on. And this one here, this fuchsia color dress, was one that kept selling out, was another thing that kept selling out in my size. So when I saw that it came back in stock, I decided to grab it. The good thing with Old Navy as well, as you might know, is they always have deals going on. So sometimes they'll have 20%, 25% off, 30%, if you're lucky, 40%. So I think when I made my order, it was 30% off of everything. So the two dresses that I bought from Old Navy, I got for something like $27.50, which is not bad for a dress, really. And this one is actually really great quality. It kind of almost has like a linen feel to it. I don't really know what the actual, can I see the fabric tag anywhere here? I don't really know what it's made out of. I highly doubt it's linen, but it kind of has that feel to it. Yes, it's absolutely not linen, but it is 36% cotton. So at least that's something. It's got this really nice ruffle detail around the arm area, and then around the bottom of the hem, it's got a nice detail. It is lined, so you won't have any worry about. Actually, it's just the bottom part that's lined, so shouldn't have any worry about it being see-through. So there was actually another dress that I had my eye on, and this one I went a little rogue with. This is not something that I would ordinarily choose, something with like a print like this. I get really nervous to try and match a print with shoes or a purse or even like a cardigan. So this one was really a odd choice for me. But what really sold it for me was when I saw it on the fuller figured model on their website pictures. It looked really nice on her. So I thought, okay, let me give it a shot. Let me just go with something a little different. So this one is, it's got like, it looks like these red kind of like rosy flowers. And then there's like some green leaves in there. And this dress, the fabric is so soft. I noticed that from time to time, that's something that Old Navy does really well, is sometimes their garments, the fabric is really soft, and this is one of those. So once again, it's got like a nice smocking around the waist. The sleeves are a little bit of like a cap sleeve, and you could possibly even wear this kind of off the shoulder, but I prefer it kind of fully on the shoulder. I think it gives it a really nice look to it. The length on me is really nice. It's a little bit above the knee, not too short, not too long. I really could see myself wearing this a lot throughout the summer. So I also bought a couple of things from Shein. Shein can be a little bit of hit or miss with their sizing. So I do find that oftentimes I have to send things back. Luckily, they do make the return process very simple and easy. So, you know, it's kind of like no risk. But I did pick up a couple of tops. So I bought this nice black tank top. It's a cropped tank top with like a sweetheart detail in the neckline there. It's a ribbed material. It's quite stretchy. I got this in a medium. I could see myself wearing this quite a lot throughout the summer with jeans. Possibly with a skirt. I'll have to look to see what I've got in my closet that might suit this, but definitely I would wear these with jeans. And then this cropped shirt caught my eye. It's something a little different, I think, than I would normally go with. It's got this lace detail all over and a little cap sleeve that's a little bit of a lacy detail. This one is also in a medium. It is a bit stretchy, but it's a little bit tighter than the other one. So I don't really know what I will pair this with at this point, but I'm sure I have something in my closet that I can match it with. And then I saw quite a few things that I wanted to get from Reitmans. So Reitmans is always really good for like work basics, things like skirts and dress pants and nice blouses and things of that nature. So I saw these pink, so these are a pink cropped dress pant. Once again, something very different outside of my comfort zone. They are like kind of like a wide leg cropped pant. I did buy a similar pant and actually might even be the same style pant last year in a black, but I got that in a size 8. I haven't worn them yet because I feel like the sizing was a little big for me. So this time I went with a size 6. And I feel like, so these are a 6 petite because I wanted them to be the length that the pant is supposed to be. If I had a went, because they're cropped, if I had a went with the regular length, they would be regular length on me. They would look like a regular length pant. So I wanted to try that cropped look. So at this point, I don't really know. So I feel like they fit really nicely around the waist. I don't really know what I'm going to wear them with. I don't know what type of shoes I'm going to wear them with. But that will probably be part of the adventure, is kind of looking in my closet and seeing what I'm going to pair with it. Once again, the pink color also is a little bit of a different choice for me. Normally, I would go with something like black or beige or something a little bit more kind of neutral, I guess. But then again, like looking at this pink color, it I guess it can be considered a neutral. I just don't know what to wear with it. So I'm going to play around with a few things and see what we can do with it. So one item of clothing that I'm always kind of on the lookout for is a nice pencil skirt. I'm a pear shape. I'm quite curvy in the bottom half. So when you're a pear shape, it's really difficult to find really nice pencil skirts that fit that type of figure well. I have a few, and a few people have done it, but I've had a lot of difficulty finding something that suits my figure well. And last year I did buy a pencil skirt from Reitmans, a black pencil skirt, and I actually did a video where I showed it. And it's a nice skirt, and I still wear it. I just feel like the sizing was a little too big for me. I initially got it in an 8 because I'm usually on average, I would say an 8. But it was a little too big, so I returned it and I got a 6, but even the 6 seemed a little large. But I didn't want to exchange it for a 4. So this year, I had my eye on another pencil skirt that they have. This time I was looking for the longest time now, I've been looking for a nice navy pencil skirt because I have like this whole idea in my head of an outfit that I want to wear with a navy pencil skirt. And this year I got smart, so I decided to order it in a size 4. And I can't even tell you, so I've worn this skirt a few times now to work, and I've gotten lots of compliments on it. I can't even tell you or even express how wonderful this pencil skirt is and how great it is for a pear-shaped curvy figure. I have a smaller waist and bigger hips. So once again, it can be very difficult to find items of clothing, especially pencil skirts that suit that type of figure. And this one, even in a size 4, it fits my waist perfectly. It goes around my hips perfectly. There's a little bit of stretch in it for comfort, so you don't feel like you can't move in it. And it zips up at the back, which I think is the best because when you have a zipper at the front, I feel like it creates a little bit too much bulk. But this pencil skirt, like I said, I can't even tell you how happy I am with it. It's been my favorite skirt for the past couple of weeks. So I loved it so much. I did buy it in black. So the black I have not worn yet. So this is the black one. I've tried it on. Hopefully there's no cat fur on it. I've tried it on and it fits just as great. So I really wish it came in other colors because I would really love to get like a charcoal color or like a gray skirt. That would be really nice. But for now, all they have is the blue and the black. But I mean, a basic black pencil skirt, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. I feel like it will be infinite number of combinations that I can wear it with this skirt. And like I said, so both of them I got in a size 4. Usually I would say on average I'm an 8, sometimes a 6. I do like my clothes to be quite fitted. But with these ones, I went with a 4. So if it's something you're considering, or anytime you're going to Reitmans, I think I would kind of recommend that try it on, but I would size down because I do find their sizing to be quite large. But with that being said, I just feel like Reitmans has really been hitting the nail on the head with these pencil skirts because they're really great. Now, the last item of clothing I'm going to show you has a little bit of a story. So I bought a blouse at Reitmans to go with the navy pencil skirt. So this fuchsia colored blouse looks awesome with the navy color skirt. I bought it, and then when it came, it had like a little hole in the top part of the stitching. So I sent that one back, I reordered it, and waited like a week for it to come. And so when this one came, it has another hole in it in the exact same spot as the other one. And I know that this top came from somewhere else because of the tracking information. They came from 2 completely different stores, yet it has like this hole in the exact same spot, literally the exact same spot in the seam. So I really love this top. I can't find it in the store. I don't think I'm gonna bother sending it back. I think I'm gonna try to do my best with mending that little, because it's only like a little tear right on the seam. I'm hoping that it won't with wear come out. But this one looks really great with the navy color pencil skirt. I got this one in an extra small, and that's just because they didn't have it in a small. All they had was an extra small left, and I really, really, really wanted this color. It is a little tight across the bust, a little bit, but I think it's doable. I don't think it's anything that would stop me from wearing it. So that's it. So that's everything that I've bought over the last like month and a half for spring and summer. I didn't really think it was going to be that much. I didn't think I bought that much. As I said in the beginning of the video, I've really been trying to not buy as much. So when I started to get the items together to do this video, it really seemed like a lot more than I actually thought it was. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in another video.